so boring today.
I know, right? It was so long.
I'm just so happy to be over.
I know, right?
Hey guys, aren't we going to the mall?
Oh yeah, we are going to the mall.
But who's gonna drive us?
Girl, I just got my license last week.
Let's go.
Guys, buckle up.
I'm not gonna buckle up. That's stupid.
Guys, let's roll down the window.
That's a good idea.
Yeah, let's listen to some music too. Did you see the way that her hair looked today?
Bro, it looks so bad, so ugly. Like, I was like, what
I
is
was
that?
like, okay, I'm not gonna hate, but like, I'm very like concerned.
It was so bad. Oh my goodness. There was pink and green in her hair.
Okay, but like, I don't know, maybe it's like a new thing, but I would never do that to me.
I'm not
Real,
hopping
like,
on
it was
this
so ugly and ratchet.
Disgusting. Where's the mall? Hello? I can't wait to go to the mall. What do you guys want to get?
Boba!
We should get boba.
I'm looking for like, what am I looking for? I'm looking for like pumps.
Ooh, that's a good idea.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, Estelle, are you okay?
Oh.
I think she's trying to say something.
Always buckle up.
Why are you still?
But
He doesn't know. Stop.
can you pause it, please? Stop it.
Please. Oh my god.
Always wear a seatbelt.
No!